Okay, so in my last video, nagbukas nga ako ng toy from Jollibee and it's in collaboration with Pokemon, yung medyo trending ngayon na Evolution Surprise. And sa last video ko, sabi ko gusto ko makakuha ng Pichu. Okay, sino kaya makuha natin? Pichu sana? However, ang nakuha natin ay... Char, wala. Ito. Munchlax, yung nakuha natin last time. Gusto ko talaga ng Pichu. So, guess what? I bought another one. Gusto ko kasi makakuha nung, ito, yung Great Ball. Para at least, meron akong Pokeball at saka meron akong Great Ball. So, yan. Buksan natin to. Actually, nabuksan ko na to nung kumain kami doon. And I got another Pokeball. But, yung toy na nakuha ko ay si Pichu. Diba? Oh. Cute. Pichu. So, yun ngayon, meron akong dalawang Pokeball. And we have two baby Pokemon. Pikachu's pre-evolved form and Snorlax's pre-evolved form. Munchlax and Pichu. At dahil dyan, magbubukas ako ng Pokemon pack. So yan. Bukas tayo ng pack. Code card. Let me guess. The card type. Fire. Ooh! Fire energy. Okay. Alright, so we have Gloom, Carvanha, Yamper, Vibrava, Linoon, Blowtorch, Seviper, Moltres, Alchemy, and... Ooh, okay, so we got on Empoleon EX. Look at that.